In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your clipboard on Android. But before we do that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. So currently, I'm using a Google Pixel 6, but this does not matter as long as you have the Google software installed, from Google Messages to the Google Gboard. So, let's say I want to copy something. I'm just going to type something up real quick, and then I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to type in something else, and then I'm going to copy it. So your most recently copied item will appear on the bottom over here. To get to your clipboard, go to the left, click on the four dots, and then go to the clipboard button. Then you can see your recent clipboards, and it shows you multiple copies that you can then paste one by one. So let's say I want to choose this one, and then I want to choose this one, and that's how you get to your clipboard. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions you have. I will see you in the next video.